Right. This is my 96. Just set it down, but it's been sitting up for about probably 6 months. I'm just gonna go through it, fire it up, and give her a little rip. You don't think it's gonna run? Think it's gonna run? 50-50 chance. A little grease. Alright guys, we're going to do a little sound test on the 96 Yamaha Banshee. So this one's got Paul Turner mids on it with these FMF silencers. And it sounds wicked. I think they're just kind of old is why they're a little bit louder than regular FMFs. It was mad on the 450. But yeah, fire it up and hear it. All right, just got to wash, rinse, and repeat. That is the 96 Banshee. So let me know in the comments which machine you'd like to see me get out next and do a little rip session on similar to this one. So had a lot of fun riding this one today. Man, those Dunlops were actually hooking up pretty good. I couldn't get it to spin when I wanted to. But always loved the sound on this one, and I wanted to do a video just kind of showcasing that. Those Paul Turners and FMFs, just it's kind of a cool combination. So yeah, thanks for watching.